If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Netflix account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the billing hold. Step 2. Check payment information. Once logged in, go to the account section. Under Membership and Billing, check your payment information to ensure it is up to date. Look for any expired cards or incorrect details. Step 3. Update payment method. If your payment method is outdated, click on Update Payment Method. Enter your new credit or debit card information or select an alternative payment option if available. Step 4. Resolve any payment issues. If there are issues with your payment method, such as insufficient funds or bank restrictions, resolve these with your bank or card issue. Make sure to confirm that your payment method is valid and can process transactions. Step 5. Retry billing. After updating your payment information and resolving any issues, go back to the Membership and Billing section and select Retry Payment. This will attempt to process the payment again and remove the billing hold. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Netflix account quickly. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.